Hey there, mate. Is this here where DJ Ojo live? Is this where DJ Ojo do business? Hello, sir. I'm talking to you, nigga. Ain't you hearing me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking if this is where Bombsheller's Juice Spot is.
No.
No. I see you have enough liquor on the shelf. How much is for that Campari?
$12.05.
1,000 US.
$12.05.
1,000 US for the Campari. I don't have 1,000.
Yeah, those they have.
My cousin just sent me here to buy a Campari. 1,000 US. Why you laughing like that, man? I don't like that stuff. I don't like men in it. I love women. And I don't laugh a lot. So, how much is for that Campari?
Can you give me $1,000 for it?
1,000 US. I don't have 1,000 US, nigga. This. Oh. You're playing around the game, nigga. I don't have 1,000 US. So I need that Campari. Is this can cover it?
Mm-hmm.
This is $200. $200 US. This can cover it.
No. Can't go on.
I'm gonna tell my cousin. Okay? Alright, sir. Yeah, man, pick up yourself. Yeah. I'm just London from America. I don't know any of the stuff. I don't know the cash and all those stuff, you understand? So big up yourself. What is your name, man?
Jamaican Tupac.
Your name Jamaican Tupac. Tupac is I'm a Tupac fan. I'm a Tupac fan. But big up yourself. I also understand Jamaican Tupac. I'll see you later. Okay, man?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.